What's up, everybody? You can pause the video now if you want to take a better look at the ingredients. Today I have a chickpea stir fry. It's a great basic dinner recipe. And this is a typical vegan dinner. You know, it's going to be soup, stir fries, quinoa dishes, stuff along those lines. So the first ingredient is bok choy. I know this is sometimes hard to find. You could substitute mushrooms, onions, anything along those lines. Bok choy is typically a dirty vegetable, so the first thing I like to do is put it on to soak. I used a vegetable cleaner I got from Trader Joe's. It's just some essential oils. It helps clean everything off. And while that's soaking, you're going to start to prepare your bell peppers. So I like to just cut around the core, get all the seeds out, and then we're going to thinly slice these. You just don't want them too thick. You know, cut them thinly and then cut them in half so they're nice small pieces. And then you're going to have a bowl set to the side that you're going to put all of your raw ingredients into. So 2 bell peppers, 2 heads of bok choy. And then you're going to thoroughly, after you soak the bok choy, you want to individually wash each piece. There's a lot of pesticides and a lot of dirt on it. Try to get organic, obviously. If not, make sure you thoroughly wash it as I did. And then you're going to put all these ingredients into your raw ingredient bowl. You want the bok choy thoroughly chopped up. Perfect. Now we're going to get our 2 large carrots. You're going to grab a vegetable peeler. You're going to peel these into, thin slices. And then you're going to take a knife and cut them into even smaller pieces. This adds color, adds variety, and just makes the dish look more appetizing. You could substitute, anything you have laying around the house if, you're missing one of these ingredients. Then you're going to add in 2 cups of peas and 1 cup of fire roasted corn. Last ingredient is 2 cans of thoroughly washed chickpeas. That's your bowl of raw ingredients. And this is everything you need for the stir fry. Now, a lot of people cook with water. I cook with avocado oil. It just adds a little bit of healthy fats. Vegan diets are typically pretty low in fats. You're going to let the oil heat up a little bit, a minute or 2. And then you're going to apply all the raw ingredients. So this is going to cook on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Every minute or 2 stir it around. Make sure it's all being evenly cooked. Depending on how high you have the temperature, it may cook, as little as 5 minutes. Make sure all the vegetables get, cooked down, get a little soft. And then around a minute before you're finished, you're going to add some kind of stir-fry marinade or stir-fry sauce. Now, I didn't show the recipe for the sauce in this video because I'm making a lot of different ones and posting them on the channel that you could use in the future. So check the channel, and I'm going to have a lot coming soon. If you're ever in a rush, you could always use a store-bought sauce. This is a tahini-based one, and I will have this recipe up within the next week, so you guys can check the channel and look out for that. And around a minute before you take it off is when you want to apply the sauce, just so it can cook in a little bit. Get that all thoroughly mixed. This is a lot of food, so this is more for like a family or for meal prep. I typically do this as a meal prep. This should make at least 4 to 5 fairly large meals. And that's a look at the finished product. Depending on the sauce, obviously it may look a little different. And thank you guys so much for watching. To support the channel, please press the thumbs up and subscribe button. Thank you, and I will see you soon.